My dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you to our Prem Joy shop. Viewers, Alhamdulillah, we are getting order from all over the world. We are delivering our goods to America, Europe and Australia. And from most of you, you guys are commenting that as all of our videos are in Bangla language, you guys are having a problem understanding about our products. So today I thought I will make a product in English language. Viewers, these products I have made a video in the past and most of you have already maybe seen it, but as the language was in Bangla, many of you couldn't understand. So I will also make this video in English and I will try to review this product once again to all of you. Viewers, the products that today I will be showing are priced at 32,000 BDT or 32,000 Bangladeshi taka. You guys can easily translate or convert this amount in your currency via searching in the Google, and we deliver the goods to all over the world via using FedEx. So if you want to contact us, kindly see the number given in the description. You can contact us via WhatsApp, email or email us or directly give a call. So without any further ado, let's go straight to our today's video. So আজকে আমরা কি শাড়ি দেখাবো ভিউয়ার্সদের?
বেনারসি ব্রাইডাল collection.
Banarosi bridal. Viewers, today our sarees will be pure Banarosi silk sarees. These sarees we have purchased from Banaras. Banaras is situated in India, and today we will be showing the wedding item. So what is the জারিটা কিসের উপর?
এটা হচ্ছে আপনার রোজ গোল্ড সাচ্চা জারি।
Rose gold sacha zari. Viewers, the zaris which have used in these sarees are rose gold, and this is the real zari, and the category of these zaris is that these zaris will not get dark or not get old in our local language. And if you can see this part which I am showing, this is the achal called achal part. Those who wear shari very know about this term. Achal is actually the part which stays in the front of the sarees. So this is the achal part, and I am zooming this so you can see a clear view. You see the all portion of the achal is worked in pure zari, and this is the body part. In our language, local language, we call this buta. Buta means small size, circle size work, and this is we call the border. The border was also worked in using pure zaris, and this is actually the real maroon color. Okay, so পরে শাড়িটি একটু দেখাবেন. So blouse piece. Okay, so now we are going to show you the blouse piece of this shari. This is the blouse portion, and the blouse portion is also in pure silk, and this work will be in the hand portion. In the blouse, this work goes into the hand portion, and this is the blouse. Okay, আমাদেরকে পরে শাড়িটি একটু দেখাবেন.
এটা হচ্ছে রেড এর মধ্যে।
Viewers, this sarees is in particularly red color, and you can see that even this saree has been worked in pure zari, and the work is very gorgeous. This is the achal portion, as I have already mentioned before. Achal is the front part of the saree, and the achal is quite big actually. You can see if I zoom in, there are flower works in all over the achal, and this is the rose gold zari, and I am showing the body portion now. This is the body part. This shari is in red color, and this is the border, and the border is very gorgeous. Let me zoom in for you. The border is very gorgeous, viewers, and let's have a look of this. Okay, blouse একটু দেখাবেন. Now I'm going to show you the blouse. This is the blouse portion. The blouse is also in pure red color, and this work will goes below the hands. Okay. Viewers, if you guys want to order this, kindly feel free to contact us. The number is given below. You can also send us a message using WhatsApp or email, and we also have a page named Prem Joy. It is a Facebook page. there we will be posting this saree still picture, and in order to just order us, just take a screenshot and send it to us via WhatsApp.
red color.
This is in red color, and this saree has a different kind of, what I can say, portion, that this is called mina. In our local language we call it mina. Mina actually means that you can see this is the zari, the golden zari, and in the golden zari there are different contrast thread has been used to make it a contrast look and give it a more premium look. So you can see in the sarees we have green threads, mustard thread, and the base rose gold zari, and this is the border portion, and even the border portion is very gorgeous. This is the pure Banarosi work, and this is the achal, and this particular achal is very gorgeous. You can see we call it a traditional work. From long time these designs has been worked out in the sarees, and that is actually the true nature of a real Banarosi শাড়ি. আমাদেরকে একটু ব্লাউজ পিসটি দেখাবেন।
Run দাও।
And this is the blouse piece, viewers. The blouse piece is also in pure silk fabric. All of these sarees are in pure silk fabric, and because this is in pure silk, that's why the range is also high compared to the other sarees. And this work will be going into the hands of the blouse.
Next.
Okay, next, wow, viewers, you can see we have another very gorgeous, actually this is called the magenta color. In our local language we also call it the jam color, but this is the true magenta color, and we can see that even this sarees has been worked with mina. By mina I am meaning that there has been used colorful threads in the body, and we can see that even the border has that contrast effect of mina work. You can see this is the mustard color thread, this is the green thread, and this is the body. The body is also very gorgeous, and especially the achal, it is very gorgeous, and the finishing is superb. শাড়ির পিছের অংশটি একটু দেখান।
Next pass.
Viewers, now I'll be showing you the back portion of the sarees. You can see that the back portion has been cut out the
Resham
extra
jodi.
threads,
Resham jodi.
and these
Pure
threads
resham
are called pure resham threads. Okay, blouse piece একটু দেখাবেন।
এটা plus piece.
And viewers, this is the blouse piece. Now you can see the true color in the camera, pure magenta color, and this work will be going into the blouse portion. Okay, and the price of all these sarees are 33,000 BDT, mean 33,000 Bangladeshi taka, sorry, 32,000 Bangladeshi taka, 32,000, and with this price the shipping charge will be added. The shipping charge will vary from country to country, so if you give us the delivery address, then we can confirm you what will be the shipping charge. And
Yes.
these sarees are particular in onion color. In our local language we call it the onion color, because the color is a sort of like the onion. And you can see that even this border is worked very heavily using the pure zari, and this is the achal portion, and even this portion has been worked very heavily. And now you can see the actual color of this শাড়ি। আমাদেরকে ব্লাউজ পিস একটু দেখাবেন। And this is the blouse portion. The blouse portion is also in pure silk, and this work will be going into the blouse piece in the hands, two hands. Okay, just let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, পরের শাড়িটি একটু দেখাবেন।
Maroon, different design.
Where this shari is in maroon color, And as all sharis that I am showing in this video are in true Benarosi sharis, and all these sharis were made using 100% silk fabric.
Pure silk. Pure.
Khadi, yeah, Benarosi pure silk. This is the border. You can see the shiningness because the zari which has been used here are real zari. This is the body portion. It is simple and gorgeous, and this is the portion of the achal, fully traditional work. আমাদের ব্লাউজ পিসটি একটু দেখান, and this is the blouse portion. Viewers, if you want to order any of this particular shari, just kindly take a screenshot and you can send the screenshot to our WhatsApp number or our email number. The number will be given in the description, or I will be try to show the number in the screen. This will be the number. I will try to show the number here. Okay. পরে শাড়িটি একটু দেখান।
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Great.
Viewers, let me inform you, this particular work which has been done here, it's called kolka. Those who wear sharis for a long time knows that this particular design is called kolka design, and it's a very traditional and old and super quality design. It has been going through for centuries actually. In all traditional sharis, most of that you will find this design which we name as kolka design. And this is the achal portion. This will be the border portion, and this is the body portion.
এটা হচ্ছে সিঁদুর red color.
And the color is red, but particular if I have to mention, it called shidur red or shidur lal. Shidur is actually the shindur that most of the women wears in their head. It is kind of what I can say a symbol of a married woman, and that is a very dark red color. So regarding that, we call that shidur lal, red as shidur.
The blouse piece.
And this is the blouse piece. You can see the dark red color of this shari, and this work will go in the blouse portion. And I am again going to show this shari. Okay, পরের শাড়িটি দেখান।
Next. তারপরে oh, nice.
Wow, I must say that this is one of my favorite designs that I have shown you so far. You can just see the achal portion and the work. A real Benarosi shari with work in real zari, and you can see the border. And viewers, how can I mention, the finishing of these goods are super, and you can see that there has been colorful thread used, green, mustard, to give it a contrast look which makes the shari even brighter. And if you want to know more information regarding our delivery policy, our payment policy, about the sharis, feel free to contact us, viewers. And you can also make the payment via the online banking or Western Union. For more details, you can kindly contact us. পরের শাড়িটি দেখান।
Blouse piece.
Oh, blouse piece. Viewers, this is the blouse piece of this shari in red color, and this work goes in the blouse portion. Okay.
Next. Different design.
এটা কি কালার বলবো?
Maroon.
Maroon. Viewers, we have this shari in maroon color, and even this achal
Rose gold.
is very gold. This achal is also very gorgeous, and the zari which has been used here is called rose gold zari. The color of the zari is rose gold. And this is the portion of the body. And this is the border portion. The border is also very gorgeous. ব্লাউজ পিসটা একটু দেখান। And viewers, this is the blouse portion. ওকে, পরের শাড়িতে দেখান।
ছোট বুটা
Viewers, this particular shari has been worked in a small size buta or small size design. You can see the body that the designs are quite small compared to the previous designs. But the border is really gorgeous. You can see the flowers in the borders are really gorgeous. And this is the achal portion, and the achal is also very nice. You can see there is kolka has been added in this particular design, and there is temple kind of work, and there has been the body work also added in this portion. The border work has been added in this portion, and combining all of them, this achal has been made. Let me zoom in for you. Okay.
ব্লাউজ পিস
And this is the blouse piece in pure Banarasi silk, and this work will go in the blouse portion. Yeah, okay. Here we have another shari which is very gorgeous, and this shari has Meena work. This is the achal portion which I am showing you, and this is the body portion. I know viewers, the video is getting a little bit longer, but I will try to make it quick. But in this particular video I want to show you the Banarasi collections that we have at the moment in real silk. That's why I'm taking this much time. You see, as the saris are in pure silk fabric, so I'm taking a little bit more time to showing the products. Okay, আমাদেরকে ব্লাউজ পিসটা একটু দেখান। This is the blouse portion, viewers. This is the work in the blouse portion which will eventually go in the hands, and this is the body part of the blouse. Okay, we have another shari which is in pure maroon color, dark maroon, or in our local language we also call it kalche maroon. This is the body portion, viewers. Real deep maroon color, and if I zoom in you can see the border much clearly. Viewers, kindly also mention what would you like to see in our next video. I'll try to make video in this product in English language, as most of our videos in our channel are in Bangla. But if you guys have any particular requirement, feel free to inform us. This is the blouse piece. Okay, একটু জলদি করি। আরো আছে? Viewers, this is another different design, and the achal portion is really gorgeous, and it's a sober design. This is the body portion. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, blouse piece দেখান। This is the blouse portion, and as I have mentioned, all the saris that I am showing in today's video are 100% real silk. This particular shari is also in pure maroon color. this is the work in the body. These designs is a little bit bigger compared to the previous ones. And this is the border portion. The finishing is superb. Okay, ব্লাউজ পিসটা একটু দেখাবেন।
ব্লাউজ পিস
This is the blouse portion, and this work will go into the blouse. Okay,
নেক্সট ডিফারেন্ট কালার
because this color is a little bit different. It is actually a orange color. Those who want in a different color or a different style, this is the achal portion. You can see we call it in our local language that pitano kaj, meaning the finishing is superb and heavily worked in all over the achal. And this is the body portion. You can see the work in the body, and there is mina has been done in the sharis, and this is the border portion. Viewers, the video has gone a little bit longer. I hope those who are seeing the video till now will like this video very much and like the sharis. Feel free to contact us for any information regarding anything. If you want other products, sharis, lehengas, 3-piece, anything, we deliver the goods via using the FedEx or DHL, whatever you like. And you can send the money via the online banking or Western Union. And this I will end this video now. I hope you like the sharis, and inshallah I will meet with you very soon with more designs. Allah Hafiz.